और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Chairman Jiga Northeast Student Organization wa Samuel Jerwa hakat project unailar alajar pausan ulong magajing dawai ke inline permit kedikamat keblas lemha ya kabala dawa daga khasi student union nadu usnam ka khandai spa prapulai hagajing academic lat patai ku bor hagajing penlong gajing shong klai mongor hakandai lat ba jerwa ulong baga sarkar India had menta kamshim pentre kam ke inline permit om tanga ke jela jong ka than jete lamingi hede wat hapo ga jela megalaya ru kumjo haba kili ba jerwa lapan kan mau ke jingkran jong min rang ba do keri Narendra Modi ha ke jing rakie ye ke singai lo jong keri India kablalong hakakat santri kunai lar arajar pausan khamtam e halo ke jing shakta jong gijela katha jatela mingi ne ke jing jor sabapalat ke jingwan rong kerthep jing menderi negeri Bangladesh.
Well, this sit-in strike today on the 18th of August 2025 is part of the program of the Northeastern Organization in the whole of the Northeastern region, in all the state capitals where we have this sit-in strike to pressurize the state governments and also the government of India to take note of this very, very serious issue that has been plaguing the Northeastern region for so many years now, since independence. And we have faced this problem of illegal immigration of people from across the border, especially from Bangladesh to the different states of the Northeastern region. And we have seen the situation in Tripura, we have seen now the situation in Assam, and even in Meghalaya. We have witnessed so many upheavals and people's movement against this infiltration of people from Bangladesh. So this sit-in strike is a call to the government of India and also to the state governments of the different states of the Northeastern region to take note of this very serious issue and to take proactive actions on the ground to stop this illegal infiltration. Well, we hope that the governments at the center and the states are responsible governments, and even a strike of 1 hour or even a strike of 10 days, I think it will not make any difference to them if they are responsible enough for the welfare and protection of the indigenous peoples of the different states of the Northeastern region. And as we have seen, on the 15th of August 2025, the Prime Minister of India has recognized the gravity of the issue, in which he has stated that the demography of the country, and especially we think the Northeastern region, has been affected because of this large-scale illegal immigration from Bangladesh. So we hope that the government of India, in which the Prime Minister has acknowledged this grave issue, we hope that the government of India will take concrete steps on the ground so as to protect the welfare of the indigenous peoples of the Northeastern region. You see, the issue of ILP is a very old issue in which the Khasi Students Union has been demanding since 1983. But sadly and unfortunately, the government of India and also the successive central governments have not implemented the inline permit in the different states of the Northeastern region and also in the state of Meghalaya. We will have a meeting, and if there's any program to be held, we will let all of you.
Sa sisinpad na riyog iksay kadaitara. Kijing sawa kijing tit jang ka bom bartiksing. Kijing put bemelong ke syarati bat ke besli. Kesurba siang ke tangmuri bat kesurba sengothiang kemarenteng. Kesap bekerpang kisam lakari. Kikai tor gesemping kidu halya. Kitin shop kipuran hala kesap bebon rukam. Shen kini barok hakwe ke program bat nga ke Felicia lalu. Hakamarenteng lawan Rashapi da Kapatisi TV.